Sometimes your homepage changes from Google to this website and you cannot change it. For this, we go to these three dots and then click Settings. So the first place is going to the Appearance tab. As you see, it is already set to the Google, but in spite of that, when we open the browser, this website is come up. To solve this issue, in the search bar, we write search engine. Down below, the first option is search engine used in the address bar. Change this to Google. The second option is manage search engines. Click this. Here below, you will see that website which caused the issues. Click on these three dots and click delete. The last step is we have to click on Start tab. From here, you have to remove that website by clicking on that three dots and click remove. This way we were able to remove that homepage from our Google Chrome. Please let us know in the comment below if this worked for you as well. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.